welcome to today's news. First, the headlines. Coronavirus live updates. Former Indian cricketer Chetan Chauhan passes away due to COVID-19. Several areas in Hyderabad flooded after heavy rain. Pranab Mukherjee continues to be on ventilator support, states hospitals. Custom official raids jewellery units in Kozhikode on behalf of Kerala gold smuggling case. Gold prices fall sharply, down 4,000 from last week's highs. Greenland's ice sheet melt beyond point of return, says studies. Scientists identify potential drug candidate against COVID-19. Now, the news in detail. Coronavirus live updates. Former Indian cricketer Chetan Chauhan passes away due to COVID. Former Indian cricketer Chetan Chauhan, who had been admitted in Soho Hospital after being tested positive for COVID-19, breathed his last on Sunday. The 73-year-old Chauhan, who was also a cabinet minister in Uttar Pradesh government, was admitted at Sanjay Gandhi PGI Hospital in Lucknow after testing COVID-19 positive on July 12th. Several areas in Hyderabad flooded after heavy rain. Choppers deployed. Hyderabad. Several areas in Hyderabad and rural areas have been flooded with non-stop rains over the last 3 days. The weather office has predicted more rains in the next 3 days and high alert has been sounded in many areas of Telangana. Over 600 buildings have been declared vulnerable in Hyderabad. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has asked officials to be on high alert for any incidents of flooding. Pranab Mukherjee continues to be on ventilator support, states hospitals. The condition of former President Pranab Mukherjee remained unchanged on Sunday and he continued to be on ventilator support, doctors attending to him said. They said his vital and clinical parameters are stable. The doctors at Army Research and Referral Hospital in Delhi, Cantonment, said the health of the former president is being closely monitored by a team of specialists. His son, Abhijit Mukherjee, said he visited the hospital on Saturday and his father is much better and stable than preceding days. Kerala gold smuggling case. Customs officials raid units in Kozhikode. The Customs Preventive Division in Kozhikode conducted a raid at a jewellery manufacturing unit in Kozhikode on Thursday. The raid started around 12:30 pm at manufacturing unit of Marina Gold in Palayam. The custom is checking details of unaccounted gold details of the shop. Apart from Marina Gold, there was another customs raid in Govindapuram at 11 am, but no major evidence was collected from the raid. According to Customs Preventive Division officials, these are follow-up raids in the Thiruvananthapuram gold smuggling case and more people will be interrogated in coming days. Gold prices fall sharply, down 4,000 from last week's highs. Gold prices fell sharply in India this week, tracking a decline in global markets. On Friday, October gold futures fell Rs 760 or 1.5% to 52,170 per 10 gram. For the week, gold was down about 2,600 per 10 gram. But from August 7th highs of about 56,200, gold is down but 4,000 per 10 gram. Silver also fell sharply on Friday, slumping 5.5% or 4,000 to 67,220 per gram. Greenland's ice sheets melts beyond point of return, say studies. Greenland's vast ice sheets may have melted beyond the point of return. A new research suggests, no matter how quickly the world cuts emissions that are heating the climate, the ice is likely to disappear. This research by Ohio State University scientists add. The group of scientists who studied 243 glaciers in Greenland for 34 years until 2018 found the annual snowfalls were not enough anymore to refill the glaciers. Scientists identify potential drug candidate against COVID-19. Using state-of-the-art of computer simulations, scientists have identified a pre-existing drug to treat multiple diseases including bipolar disorders and hearing loss that could prevent the novel coronavirus disease from replicating in horse cells. An advance that may lead to therapeutic solution against COVID-19. The study, published in the journal Science Advances, assessed the molecular pain protease MPRO of the novel coronavirus, which is a key enzyme that plays a central role in its life cycle. That's all for today's news. Thank you and have a nice day.